Imagine a world where luxury doesn't stop at the driveway, where it moves with you, glides across continents, and transforms every road into a runway of elegance. Picture yourself inside a masterpiece of engineering that doesn't just take you places, it redefines what travel means. Welcome to the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome, a symbol of ultimate sophistication on wheels. Before we dive into this majestic rolling palace, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to DreamDrive Homes, your home for the most luxurious, futuristic, and mind-blowing vehicles that redefine freedom and comfort on the move. The 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a declaration of limitless luxury. Designed for those who see travel not as a necessity but as an art, this mobile mansion combines Rolls-Royce's legendary craftsmanship with next-generation innovation. From its sleek, flowing silhouette to its handcrafted interiors, everything about this motorhome screams perfection. It's not a machine meant to move you from point A to point B. It's a statement that wherever you go, royalty goes with you. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome takes your breath away. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, featuring a seamless fusion of polished aluminum and carbon fiber, wrapped in Rolls-Royce's signature dual-tone finish. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy emblem proudly leads the way, illuminated by adaptive LED matrix headlights that seem to pierce through the night. The grille, inspired by the Phantom and Cullinan, glows subtly with backlit vanes, giving the vehicle a celestial presence even when parked. Step closer, and the motorhome's design genius reveals itself. Hidden doors open silently with gesture control, and once you step inside, it feels like entering a private jet designed by an artist. The cabin is an orchestra of light, leather, and silence. Each surface is meticulously handcrafted with the world's finest materials: cashmere upholstery, rare wood veneers, and brushed platinum accents. The aroma of hand-stitched leather fills the air as the soft lighting adjusts automatically to your mood and the time of day. The living area features a panoramic, smart glass roof that can turn from clear to opaque with a simple touch. It bathes the cabin in natural light during the day and reveals the stars at night. Plush recliners with massage, heating, and cooling functions invite you to sink in, while a 120-inch retractable OLED display emerges from the ceiling for a cinematic experience. Rolls-Royce has even integrated an AI assistant named Elysium, which anticipates your needs, from climate, control, and entertainment to suggesting scenic routes, based on your preferences. Moving toward the kitchen, you'll find a compact yet ultra-modern culinary space that rivals the best smart homes. It includes an induction counter that only appears when needed, a self-cleaning oven, and a voice-activated beverage maker. Everything here is powered by Rolls Royce's advanced silent motion energy system, a fusion of electric and hydrogen fuel cell technology that delivers zero-emission performance and near-total silence. The master suite is pure tranquility. A king-size floating bed with adaptive support adjusts to your posture, ensuring unmatched rest during long journeys. Behind it, an ambient waterfall wall provides gentle white noise for relaxation. The suite also includes a luxury wardrobe system, biometric access safes, and even a mini spa with aromatherapy, and a rainfall shower made from recycled condensation. Rolls-Royce calls this space the Serenity Chamber, and it truly feels like it was designed for gods, not humans. Technology in the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is invisible yet omnipresent. The floor panels are made of kinetic energy tiles that recharge the auxiliary systems as you move inside. The motorhome can drive autonomously on highways, navigate tight urban spaces using drone-assisted cameras, and even deploy solar wings for off-grid power when parked. The dashboard is replaced with a full holographic interface that projects navigation, communication, and performance data onto the windshield in 3D. Every control can be operated through voice, gestures, or even eye movement. Driving this motorhome is as majestic as living in it. Powered by Rolls-Royce's newly developed dual electric propulsion system, delivering over 1,200 horsepower, it glides effortlessly across any terrain. The suspension system uses predictive sensors that read the road ahead and adjust in milliseconds for a ride so smooth it feels like floating. Even at top speeds, the cabin remains whisper quiet. Thanks to triple-layer acoustic insulation and sound-canceling nanotech glass. But what truly sets this motorhome apart is the philosophy behind it. A vision of freedom without compromise. Rolls-Royce has managed to merge the essence of high-end hospitality with the future of mobility. It's not about owning a vehicle, It's about owning a lifestyle that transcends the boundaries of traditional travel. Every journey becomes a memory, every destination feels like home, and every mile is a chapter in your personal story of elegance. For those lucky enough to own one, the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome isn't just a purchase, it's a legacy on wheels. It's what happens when imagination meets precision, and when luxury decides to move. From the quiet hum of its electric heart to the artistry of its interiors, this motorhome embodies the soul of Rolls-Royce, timeless, powerful, and impossibly beautiful. So, if you ever dream of driving not just a vehicle, but a moving monument of human creativity, this is it. The 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome isn't made for everyone. It's made for the few who believe that every road can be royal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to DreamDrive Homes for more extraordinary journeys into the world of futuristic luxury vehicles, where imagination becomes motion and dreams drive the future.